Hey, what's up you guys? Makeup's out. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my updated eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, my eyebrows, they're not there. They're non-existent. I talk about this a lot. I'm starting with my NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, and I'm brushing up my eyebrows. But as you can see, one of my eyebrows, it doesn't have a tail, and the other one barely has a tail. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I get that all the way together. So first I just do the front of my brow with the eyebrow pencil, and then I use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow to line my eyebrows as well as do my arch. Sorry, I'm a little bit out of frame. See, here I am right now lining my eyebrows, and then I do the arch, and the arch is what helps me do the tail of my brow. I use a spoolie to blend everything that I'm using together. I use two different spoolies. One I like more for the front of my brow because it's a little bit more precise, and the other one I use for the arch because it's a little bit thicker. Now I'm going back in with the Dipbrow just to darken up anything that I might have lost. Then next after that, I'm going to be using Wunderbrow. I don't use this all the time. I just use this whenever I want the tail of my brows to be a little darker. Usually I'll just use the Dipbrow and I won't do this extra step, but I felt like doing this today because I wanted my brows to be a little darker at the end. And then I do the same thing as last time. I blend everything in with the skinny spoolie. And then I just darken up anything that needs to be darkened and continue to blend it in until it's gradient. It has the gradient effect. Now I'm using three different concealers. I'm using LA Girl Pro in Cool Tan, Almond, and I'm also using a Makeup Revolution concealer in the number 13.5 if I remember correctly. But I just blend that out, and I blend it out a lot. Now when I'm blending this out, I try to pay close attention to where I'm actually blending at. I don't want to get the concealer too close to where my eyebrows are. Sorry, this is a little out of focus, but I don't want to mess up that line that I made. I want that to be as defined as possible. If you want to move your eyebrows up a little bit, if you made them too thick, then you can definitely do that, but my eyebrows are pretty much the way I wanted them to be, so I don't worry about blending out the bottom too much. And I'm using the same concealer as I did for under my brows to line the top of my brows. I didn't have to use the same concealer, but I had a lot left over, so I just decided to use what I had left over. And for the top, I blended out more than I did on the bottom. Because I don't like halo brows, I think that is the craziest thing ever. Like, I know you can see that bright line there above your eyebrows. I can see it, you can see it, we all can see it. So I blend that out really well, and then I also go back in with a dense brush like I am right here. This is a e.l.f. makeup brush. I believe it's a contour brush. After I'm finished blending everything out and everything looks good to me, then I check over my brows to see if there's anything that I need to go over again. If I need to fix the front like I'm doing right now. I used the eyebrow pencil because it looked like it was too boxy, so I wanted to use the spoolie to blend that out a little bit more so it can look a little bit more natural at the front of my brows. And this is how it looks after. It looks a lot better than it did in the first place because I was bald. I ain't have no eyebrows at all, and now I got me some eyebrows. Now I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on this eyebrow as I did on the other eyebrow. So I'm just going to speed this up, let you guys see what I'm doing, and I'm going to shut up and I'll come back if anything else needs to be explained. If you guys remember from before when I said to pay close attention to when you're blending the concealer out under your brows and above your brows, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I just messed up my eyebrows right now and I had to go in with more product just to fix it. You can fix it like I just did, but just so you don't have to, try and pay attention and blend out slowly. It looks like I'm going pretty fast with this, even though I was going a little fast, but just take your time. Okay, don't be like me. But as you can see, we are finished with our brows. They look good, minus my little mistake. But that is the end of this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.